What's up? What's up? What's up, honey? It's your girl, Miss G. She's back with another video. Another video. And you say, Miss G, what you having today? This chick cook. She did. She made some pan-fried chicken with her favorite, Xanore. I season that chicken up though. I season it and I put rosemary in it and then I froze it, took it out, pounded out, pan fried it, honey. Made some cabbage. I got me some cooked onions and bell peppers and garlic. I got me my raw garlic. Got big pepper, cucumber, tomatoes, jalapenos. Okay, so I had Stan look it up yesterday. It's 2 cloves of garlic you're supposed to eat a day. Raw. I've been doing a little bit more than 2 cloves, but I need to cut down on my 2 cloves because that's overpowering, I guess, until you come used to it. I still got flowers for you guys. Thank God for Jesus that they still here. Now, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel and hit that bell. You get alert every time I drop a video. And if you're visiting your girl again, I thank God for Jesus for you. I thank God for you allowing me in your space, giving me some time, because we all are busy. It's things to do. I mean, it's getting to the busy time of the year, to be honest with you. All the holidays are coming up and just family getting together. Even though we in the mix of a pandemic, you know, people are getting their shots, and so people are getting together a little bit more. I know I'm busy, so I imagine that everybody else is busy too. With family, children, honeys, husbands, girlfriends, wives. You know how that is. We all got stuff to do. So I thank God for you. I thank Him for you allowing me to spend some time with you. Now y'all know those things I like. And comments. Okay, so now y'all know I get so much comments that all I'm doing is leaving a heart. Every now and then I'll answer somebody, but y'all gotta pray for me that I find some time where I can respond a little bit better. It is what it is. Pray. And y'all see I still got my setup going on, honey child. She getting a little better. She is, I must say. Now it's pretty hot right now. I ain't gonna start no story. It's in your face though. It's in your face. I gotta learn how to I need something back here, because see, that's what it is. They have their stuff up here and they eat back in here. But see back here, ain't nothing back there for me to put my stuff on. We gonna pray. Y'all know I need my stuff for my cucumbers. Yeah, I sure do, honey child. I should have. Okay, my fan is right here, and then my garlic is on this side over here. I don't know. We gonna pray that it don't blow over. Can we just do that? Pray that it don't blow over. I've been starting off all week with the first bite in the cucumber. First bite, cucumber. Jalapeno. Tomato. I'm gonna try my first garlic. Honey mustard. Ooh. Second garlic. Cucumber. Even though it's just vegetables, I promise you it's good. Tomato. Heat. I gotta get my cabbage. I love cabbage. It's still nice and warm. Even though my mouth is on fire right now. That's good. I put peppers in them too. The fresh ones. She gonna drip, but I want to show her to y'all guys. Okay, I gotta get better at this, doing the opposite side of me. See my cabbage? She dripping, but y'all saw her. She dynamite. Cucumber. Is this garlic number 3? Oh, is that garlic number 4? Chicken. She's good. Garlic good with the chicken. Tomato. I hope y'all have been good. My day been busy, but it's been good. I went walking. On this day, my son don't have to go to school till like 9:30. So those days are really good for me because I can get the daycare kids in, and then I can go for a little walk quick. I had to stand and look at how much garlic I'm supposed to eat, just in case. I don't want to eat a whole lot because I want to get used to the garlic. But today's only my 3rd day. And my first 2 days, like, ooh, this garlic is powerful. This chicken is good. I needed some lettuce out here too, because then you can wrap the chicken with garlic. That's good. Cucumber. I'm going to stack her up. Okay, so we're going to put a garlic in here first. See? I have honey mustard in there. Put a garlic clove in there. We're going to pile some of these onions up on here. Oh, this onion is so good. It has Carol Famous barbecue sauce on it. A piece of chicken. And we're going to go deep. All right, here we go. Now it's mixing around really good. That was like a sensational party. It was. Garlic. Oh, I gotta stuff them in here. Okay, garlic. Oh, wait, because this part is so tight. I'm gonna have to bite the chicken separate. Okay. I don't know. Good. Uh-oh. Here we go. Sometimes I promise you, it seems like the garlic is spicy. Right now, something is spicy in my mouth. I ain't put no spice in there. I didn't. I don't know what happened, but something happened. Okay. I haven't made no mess. That's what counts. My goodness. Gotta get to my cabbage. I have to figure something out. Oh, well, you know, I can do it like this. No more garlic though. Something happened just a few minutes ago and it was spicy. All my onion gone. This pepper tastes good with this. Oh, I put some of this pepper in my cabbage too. I sure did. That's good. I'm a salt guy. I hope y'all gonna have a good dinner. If you haven't already had your dinner, I hope your dinner is gonna be as great as mine has been, because this dinner is good. I'm getting a little on the full side, and it's getting close to my 15 minutes anyway. But I think I did good. I emptied at least the peppers. I can't sit it on my other counter because it's got this juice on the bottom. But I did good. I almost finished all my tomatoes, you know, but I did good, I think, you know. Yeah, and hopefully by the time I get off here, Louis should be home by now. I did fix his stuff though. I'll just have to toast him up some bread, and then he'll be finished. But likewise, it's good. It's been a nice day here. It's not too hot. It's kind of a little bit on the muggy side this morning, but it's pretty nice right now. I mean, it's gorgeous outside. The sun is not up. But it looked like it might be nice enough to sit out there at the little bar for about an hour or two before it gets dark, because it gets a little dark a little early. But I be so busy. I really don't have the time to enjoy it like I need to, because so much stuff is coming up right now. And Stan might be going up to Virginia this weekend to do some training. Let's all pray for him. That everything works out in his favor. Something myself. I'm sorry. I'll pray that everything work out in his favor. And I didn't even drink no water, and I need some too. But I'm past time. All right, guys. I know exactly what time it is. It's time to turn the lights on in here, boo. Deuces. Peace. Still got my scrubs on, but that's okay.